Doodling Your Way to Learning, a guide to understanding through art. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a unique concept that combines creativity with learning. Doodle to understand. This intriguing phrase suggests using simple drawings or doodles as a tool to grasp complex ideas or information. So, grab your notepads and let's embark on this creative journey to learning. At its core, Doodle to understand is all about leveraging the power of visual thinking. Doodling, often seen as a trivial or mindless activity, can actually enhance cognitive processes, memory, and focus. It's a way to visually represent ideas, concepts, and thoughts, making them easier to comprehend and remember. This technique is especially useful in language learning, where visual cues can anchor new vocabulary or grammatical structures in our minds. Doodling isn't just about keeping your hands busy, it's a potent learning tool. Studies have shown that doodling can help with enhancing memory retention. Visual cues created through doodles can help recall information more effectively. Improving focus. Doodling can keep the brain engaged during lengthy or complex explanations, reducing the chances of your mind wandering. Stimulating creativity and understanding. Translating concepts into visual formats can deepen understanding and encourage creative thinking. Making learning fun. Adding a creative element to learning can make the process more enjoyable and less monotonous. Implementing this technique into your language learning routine can be both fun and effective. Here are a few tips to get started. 1. Start simple. You don't need to be an artist. Simple shapes and stick figures can effectively represent ideas or words. 2. Connect doodles to new vocabulary. Draw a quick sketch next to new words to help remember their meanings. 3. Summarize concepts with infographics. Use doodles to summarize grammatical rules or language concepts. 4. Engage with content actively. While watching videos or reading texts, doodle key ideas or phrases to enhance comprehension and retention. We hope this exploration into Doodle to understand has inspired you to pick up a pen and start doodling your way to a deeper understanding of the English language. Remember, learning doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a creative and enjoyable process. Happy doodling, and as always, happy learning. See you in our next video.